What's up, YouTube? So, I've got this trash picked Toro Recycler here. It's got the bagger. Ain't got no holes in it, but this is the second one I've owned. The other one collapsed because it wasn't taken care of. It's in pretty good shape. The personal pace, it has personal pace, but it's a model 20332, and they said it was junk. It was free mower. It looks to be in decent shape, but I'm gonna give it a shot here, like I always do, and just try pulling it and seeing what happens. I've never touched this thing. Haven't primed it or nothing, so let's see what happens. For all I know, the carburetor jets could be clogged. So it's running really low RPM, and the auto choke, it's letting off because it's running. So it's got a carburetor issue. It's clogged up. So we'll see about working on it here. Why don't we give it a try for good measures? That's all it's doing. It's stalling. So there's not much wrong with it. Maybe it just needed some help. Maybe pushing it home and it rattling on the bumps and stuff probably cleared something out. I'm still going to drop the bowl and see what I can get out of it. Yeah, I don't know. It might not need the bowl dropped. This will be a short video if it doesn't. What do I say? I grabbed something and just kind of bend that back. This right here, you can see that this is the auto choke. This is what I was fiddling with, but I got the RPM to go up by. I pushed the spring forward some until I got to the RPM it's supposed to be at. So it needs this little tab right here for the governor spring. See that spring right there? Oh, it needs this tab to push back to tighten up the spring tension on the throttle. And I reckon it should fire if I just tighten that up, because look how low that is. So I have something, I believe. I could just go ahead and grab it and just... Alright, so I got me a pair of pliers. We're gonna see if we can't... That's our next thing to work on. If I can't get this started. This is a short one. Let me just grab that tab and then just bend that some. Let's see how it runs now. Alright, let's see how it runs now. an easy job, wasn't it? It's a short video. Well, since it runs, I guess I'll try it out over there. It's a really short video. That's going to be a short video, so I'm going to make up for it. Since the personal pace is working. Let's see why the bag isn't doing its job. I got the thing switched for the bagger. You move it down and it's supposed to rear bag. Let's see what's going on. Oh, whoa, what the heck? I'd say somebody mowed some wet grass. Somebody mowed some wet grass with it. Two, they must have got a lot of acorns. That's a good one. Okay, it should work now. I never checked the oil. It looks good. Looks like it's been recently changed because you can tell by the look it looks very fresh. The oil does. Okay, now it should work. Also, for those that have never seen, those that don't know about how the thing works, I'm gonna show you. So you see, right now it's open, right? Well, whenever you flip this lever, now it's closed. Here, I'll let you watch it. So, Toro came up with that design. You can leave the bagger on, and whenever you want to switch it to do the mode, then that's how you do it. Good feature. I like it. There's a crack in the deck that needs welded. I gotta take it to the neighbor. This one looks like there's a crack back there, too. He says he's gonna give me another one from he's got one from Ohio. He's gonna give me. Have fun from that. Ohio is completely dealing with coronavirus. 100,000 cases over there. This mower, it's spent its whole life here, but it's spent its whole life on a hill, though. It's one of those mowers. So let's see how the bagger does now. And that was a short video. Well, I guess that was it. Didn't take much to revive it. I'll probably make another video dropping the bowl anyway. I really want one of these to have the blade brake, where there's a stop switch on here and you can let it run without the blade turning, and then you hit this and it engages a belt. There's a clutch under there. It's like a PTO, but it's cable. There's like a clutch under there. You pull that back and it'll engage the blade. I like that. I want that. But I want one of those. But I'd say that's it for this video. Really quick video. A lot quicker than I thought, but I'm going to take this to the neighbor, Kevin, because seems like because most of these Toro Recyclers I'm getting, since it's been most of its, I've got 2 of these mowers that came from the same guy, and he uses them on hills. This one spent, like I said, most of its life on a hill, clearly. Because there's grass jammed up. You can see how that's bent. That's broken, and it's starting to break here. So it needs worked on, but I could take that to the neighbor Kevin, and he'll take some time to weld. It's the same situation as the other one. The other one collapsed, which sucks. That's because I didn't catch that other one on time. I used the other one a lot longer, and I was a lot rougher on it. I'm gonna be a little easier with. I'm gonna be a little easier with this one. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna use it until I get to talk to the neighbor Kevin, and he can weld it just like last time. So yeah, he can. I'll show you what he did with the other deck that collapsed. Which is what needs done here. I took this one apart. You can see where he welded right here. He welded under there and then put this brace along it to stop it from getting worse. This one, that's how it collapsed, is it cracked back there. And the front wheel completely came off. And over here he welded and it broke. I told him he probably should have, I probably should have had him brace on pretty should have had him brace on this side too. Put a nice long brace across it until that back there, and then that back there collapsed. This lasted, but the mower collapsed. Sucks, but that's what happened to this one. It's the same model, so I guess this is saving for another video. See, I like and subscribe. It's starting to rain. So peace out. I'll make a video later.